Hello, first grader. Hope you are all doing well. Are you excited for our lesson for today? Today, we're gonna learn how to use the windows. And what is windows? And what is the consist of each window? Are you excited? First of all, what is windows? Windows are frames that have pictures and lists to help you give a computer commands. It's a frames that have pictures and lists to help you give the computer what? Give the computer commands. How do I work with all these different windows? It is very simple. All the windows are made to work the same way. This means you only need to understand how to work with one window. And today we're gonna learn how to work with the computer window. As you can see it on your screen, a window consists of taskbar, the title bar, menu bar, tools bar, close button, resize button, minimize button, and working area and borders. Our first part is title bar, which is the bar you see on top, title bar. The second one is the menu bar. You have different choices within this bar. And the tools bar. Tools bar. You have here the back button and forward button and two boxes for options. The fourth thing is the taskbar. Taskbar, as you can see here. Close button. This red button, we call it close button. Resize button. This is the resize button. You have two choices, maximizing the windows and minimizing the windows as you want. Minimize what button? Minimize button. This button that have a dash on it. It is called minimize button. It will minimize the windows into the taskbar here. Not close it, just minimize it. And the working area, and last but not least, the borders. The borders, which is the frame of the windows. Here you have exercise. Can you solve it for me on your book? The resize button is used for maximizing the window to fill the screen. When it is clicked again, the window returns to its normal size. Now I'm going to show you on my screen how to open and resize any click you want. Just wait. I'm going to share my screen with you. As you can see here on my screen, I have so many windows in my taskbar are opened. I'm gonna open another folder for you in order to show you what is the consist of each one. I'm gonna click on this user icon. Double click on it in order to make it open. Here I have here this space, we call it a working area. The title bar that have the name of the folder, and this bar, we call it what? Yes, what do we call this bar? Is the menu bar. As you can see here, we have 4 options in the menu bar. Each one, when we click on it, it gives us a menu of choices. And here the tools bar, it has a back button and forward button. And the search box here in the tools bar. And again, you have a different icons in the folder. We call this icon on this space is a working space or working area. The borders, I'm gonna show it now for you, but first, the close button, this red one, and the resize button, minimize button. I'm gonna try to click on resize button. As you can see here, my folder is small. My windows is small. I'm gonna click on it and re-click on it. As you can see here, the windows is small. When I click on it, it will back to be at the whole screen. We called it full screen. When I'm clicking on this, it will minimize the folder or minimize the windows into the taskbar. I will find it here. Now I'm gonna show you what it will happen when I click on the close button. The windows disappear. That means that the windows is closed. I'm gonna reopen it, minimize it, minimize it to a smaller size and maximize it. Close. So again, the different part or consist of any windows, it has a border as a frame for the windows. It has a bar, we call the title bar. It has here a symbol for the icon that you opened and its name. Then we have this bar, we call it menu bar, and the tools bar, the working area that have all the icon in the folder, the minimize button, the resize button, and the close button. Hope you had fun learning with me. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact with me. Please, if you have a computer at home, try to open a Windows, resize it and minimize it, then maximize it again, then close it. Okay, practice at your home by yourself, and I will make you practice when you come to your school. If you have any question again, don't hesitate to contact with me. I'm Bushra Jude from Smart Application Academy. Hope you had fun with me. Goodbye.